Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from Mackey Arena. March Madness is here. Here's your Purdue News Now 1-minute update. The Big Ten tournament champion Purdue men's basketball team will play in the NCAA tournament for the 11th straight time, taking on number 15 seed Queens Friday in the first round in St. Louis. Tip-off is slated for 7:35 p.m. on True TV. Adobe Chair and CEO Shantanu Narayen will join Purdue University President Mung Chiang for a conversation about AI March 25th at 4 p.m. in Fowler Hall. Claim a free ticket today. Purdue is one of 8 Midwestern universities behind Third Coast Foundry, a new San Francisco hub designed to link campus innovations with Silicon Valley venture capital. Purdue Recreation and Wellness will open a new pickleball and tennis complex this fall. The new outdoor facility will feature 18 pickleball courts and 2 tennis courts with designed social space, creating a premier well-being space on campus. And mark your calendars for Purdue's spring events. Football Spring Showcase and Aviation Day are both on April 11th, and Spring Fest is April 18th. Have a great week and go Boilers!